Okay, students, now let us take the another problem. What is this? There are three resistances of 30. Each are connected to form a triangle. क्या है? थ्री रेजिस्टेंसेस है ऑफ 30 ओम ईच. 3 ओम 30 ओम का 3 रेजिस्टेंस है. वो क्या कर रहा है? आर कनेक्टेड टू फॉर्म ए ट्रायंगल. ट्रायंगल बना रहा है. ओके. ए सेल ऑफ ईएमएफ 2 वोल्ट ईएमएफ का एंड निग्लेजिबल इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस. इसका इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस 0 है. इज कनेक्टेड बिटवीन एनी टू वर्टिसेस. There are three vertices A, B, C. Any two vertices B and C. In between this, a cell is connected of 2 volts. Okay. As shown in figure, find the current through the cell. Let us say that current passing through the cell is I. Then what we have to do? We have to find out the value of I. I equal to what? Okay. क्या है? एक बार फिर से बता दें. थ्री रेजिस्टेंसेस गिवन है. कितना? 30 ओम का 3 रेजिस्टेंसेस है. दे आर कनेक्टेड सो दैट दे मे फॉर्म ए ट्रायंगल. तीनों को एक ऐसे जोड़ा गया है कि एक ट्रायंगल बना दे. तो ये देख रहे हैं 30 ओम ट्रायंगल फॉर्म कर रहा है, ABC ट्रायंगल. और यहाँ क्या दिया हुआ है? एक और कि बिटवीन एनी टू वर्टिसेस देयर आर 3 वर्टिसेस A, B and C. Let us take 2 vertices B and C. In between these 2 vertices, a cell is connected of how much? 2 volt. And its internal resistance is negligible, it means 0. Then we have to find out the value of current passing through the circuit. Okay. Then let us say the current passing through the circuit is I. Then we have to find out the value of I. It is clear to you now? Now let us proceed. Let us see here. This current is divided in 2 parts, here and here. Okay. This same current is passing through this. It means these are in parallel. These are in series. Regular में है. Same current is passing. Then these are in series. Then what we know? Resistance of these two equivalent resistance, let us say this to be R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2. Then this is what? 30 plus 30. That means 60. We can draw a triangle, a figure like this, diagram like this. Let us say this to be B and C. In between B and C there is a resistance of 30 ohm, and this is now what? This is 30 plus 30, 60 ohm. This is of 60 ohm. And now here the battery is connected, the cell is connected of 2 volt. Okay. Then and current is I. Then what we are again observing? These two are in parallel. Why? One terminal of the 60 ohm is connected at B. One terminal of 30 ohm is connected at B. Okay. दोनों का एक टर्मिनल B पर और यहाँ दोनों का एक टर्मिनल C पर. Then this type of combination is known as parallel. Then you know the formula. Equivalent of these two will be what? 1 by R. Let us say this to be R equivalent. The R dash equivalent will be what? 1 by 60 plus 1 by 30. 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. Here we have taken. Then here 1 by R3 or 1 by R4. Or we can take R equivalent. When connected in parallel, then we can take R3 into R4 by R4. R3 plus R4. ये फार्मूला लीजिए, आइदर ये लीजिए. ओके. देन R equivalent of these two will be what? 60 R3 Okay, R4 30 and now 60 plus 30. This is what? 60 into 30 divided by 60 plus 30, 90. That means 3 jar 33 jar 90, and this is now 20. Then this is what? 20. Then we can again draw a circuit like this. This is of R equivalent is 20. Then we can draw a circuit like this. This is of what? इतना है आपका 20 ओम, है ना? 60 into 30 divided by 90, 3 20. Okay, 20 ohm. Then this is 20 ohm, and here EMF is what? That is 2 volt, and this current is I. Then what potential drop across is this is 20 into I, and this will be equal to what? 2 volt. Okay, then I equal to 2 by 20. That means 1 by 10. That means 0.1 ampere. This is the current passing through the cell or whole the circuit. This is what? That is 0.1 ohm, and we had to find this. This is what? Now this is 0.1 ampere. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay.